She's an administrative officer. So yeah, she screwed those people over. That's where I'm. That's where I'm going to take it. Ways to strengthen. Add the clerk. Add the clerk to your shit, because the clerk is the one, or I would add the clerk, and then I would tell them when I get down there that I've added y'all asses, the administrative clerks. I'm gonna need a judicial clerk from upstairs to come down, and they brought one down for Doctor Hunt. They brought one down for, if I remember correctly, for Henry too. Judicial clerk. Oh no, I don't need you people. I need to talk to the judicial clerk to file my stuff, because my legal team already told me what kind of bullshit y'all gonna be trying to pull over here. So I want to make sure that I got the head motherfuckers lined up so that we can get the shit done. Now, if you've been out of your house already, now we had the mandamus package, and it was pretty pricey. Okay, but in helping some of these people try to figure out how to crush this shit on the state level, we've come up with the RICO eviction package, because when you come in RICO, they want to play hot potato and throw that shit around. Nobody wants to take responsibility for it. Yeah, so that's probably what we need, because like I said, we're not trying to get them to rule and give us shit. We want to punch their ass in the face, force them to visualize their shared liability in the RICO shit, remind their asses that they're co-conspirators to RICO. You don't have to know shit. All you got to do is be involved in the stuff and be linked to the money and the money and the wire fraud and all the stuff that they do to get all this shit lined up to steal your stuff is all that. Okay, so if you are evicted or get evicted, one of the first things that I suggest is to cloud the title, so the new people can't just jump in there and run down the street with your shit. Cloud the title. Put that notice of fraudulent conveyance in the public record next to the deed, or wherever the hell they keep the shit. People get stuck on the check down on the names of the different courts and all that shit. They make that shit confusing for a freaking reason. Come on, people. So you want to go in and you want to cloud the title, slow the ass down. And in the RICO package, you have the counterclaim lawsuit to file against the state for RICO and the illegal eviction process. And then that same lawsuit is prepared for you. Well, it's ready for you to finish personalizing and file in federal court. And the federal court filing is what you use to take charge. You use the state court docket sheet as your evidence to prove that they violated your due process. We don't spend a lot of time arguing the what they did, because that's bullshit in their shit, and ain't gonna help you. The what they did. What they did was jamming your ass up to run you out of money so they can foreclose. Okay? People say, oh, Coach, you're not in foreclosure yet. You're gonna be, goddammit. You're gonna fucking be in foreclosure. Okay, so do you want to wait till you're in foreclosure? Do you want to wait till you're in the eviction process? Or you want to sue their ass for all that shit right now? Okay? When you do that, they're like, oh no, they like to sneak up on your ass with that shit and do that shit so you can run around like a crazy person or whatever. Oh, wait, you already got the RICO shit filed that you're jamming their ass up for the foreclosure. You're jamming their ass up for the eviction, but I'm not in eviction yet. Yeah, you are. You're in that shit right now because you don't understand what the fuck I'm trying to tell your asses, and that's where you're going to be if you don't do the shit right. You're in the shit right now. No, I have HOA. It don't matter. I'm doing a property tax. It don't matter. They're trying to steal your shit. And the best way I want to do it, I'm going to lay on the table everything they're going to do to me and sue their ass for it before they even fucking get around to it. Oh, but so many people have a hard time with that. Oh no, but it's about no, it's not. It's not about that. It's not about all the money the HOA. It's not about none of that. It's about jamming their ass up at the gate for the reason why they're screwing you over. And then when you make them sit the fuck down, or after you get your deed, okay? Because getting your deed is the number one thing. Well, staying in your house is the number one thing, okay? But getting your deed is the number one thing. Staying in your house is the number one thing. But getting, okay. Oh, I sound like the AI motherfucker now, right? Okay. Well, you know, the number one, number two, number one, number whatever. Uh, stand, you know, stand in your house. Oh, getting your deed out of their office. People don't even, you know, and the doc got their ass backed up against the wall real good right now.